hello and salam. Welcome to CoelhosGarden. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can follow us on Instagram.
Hello, welcome back. Hope you all have been keeping well. Today we're making a dish which is very famous in the Maharashtrian state of India. It's called Sabudana Vada. As always, it's got simple ingredients which really elevates the flavor of the dish. This makes it a great snack for everyone to enjoy. Let's get started. Firstly, for this you would need sabudana. Wash and soak 1 cup of sabudana in water for at least 4 hours. 2 boiled potatoes which I've grated, green chilies, a small piece of ginger, curry leaves, coriander leaves, grounded peanut powder, and some cumin seeds. We're going to finely chop the green chilies, ginger, curry leaves, and the coriander leaves. For those of you who don't know, sabudana is processed and made out of tapioca roots. It's easily available in most of the supermarkets. Then in a large bowl, I've drained all the water, taken the soaked sabudana, grated potatoes. To this I'm going to be adding the grounded peanut powder, chilies, ginger, curry leaves, and coriander, and mixing it all well. Now to this mixture we add some seasoning. We start with some cumin seeds, some lime juice, salt, chilli powder, a little bit of turmeric powder, baking powder, and some sugar. Now mix this all well and leave the mixture for at least 15 minutes. Now that we have left the mixture for resting for 15 minutes, let's start shaping the vadas. Take a small portion and roll it into a ball between your palms, then slowly smash it. I'd recommend dipping your hands into water every time you make the vada so that the mixture is not stuck into your hand and it's not sticky and messy. Now that we've shaped all the vadas, it's time to fry them. In a kadai, heat some oil. Make sure the oil is heated properly before you put in your vadas, otherwise your vadas are going to lose out shape and they're going to break and it'll all be messy in the oil. Slowly add in the vadas one at a time. I'd recommend frying just 3 to 4 one time. Fry them until they turn brown and crispy like this. A yummy sabudana vada is ready to eat. They taste lovely by itself, but if you prefer, you can enjoy this with some mint chutney or some ketchup.
I'm gonna go and relish some vadas that I've made with some tea. For those of you who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, for simple recipes like this, do subscribe to my channel. And if you've liked today's video, do let me know in the comments. See you until next time. Thank you for watching my video. Leave a comment below if you've liked my recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can follow me on Instagram. The account link is in the description. See you on Sundays, Tuesdays and Fridays.